So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing this shower arm. So this was purchased by the homeowner. Everything you see is in the box. It's a Kohler shower arm, rain shower head, then a Delta, actually universal arm. Yeah, it's a Delta, and then a Delta spray head, and then another Kohler. Oh, that was all the components that came with the big rain shower. So anyways, that's the trim that they purchased. We installed, and that's their shower arrangement that they purchased. We installed up top. You can see those two flanges right there. Behind that are some mounting flanges with full 3-inch stainless steel screws mounted to the wall. They give you toggle bolts that you're supposed to go through the wall, and what it does is you're counting on this material, the tile, to hold it, and maybe a little bit of the sheetrock. But what we did instead, we had to get down here and get tied in anyways, so what we did is we got you huge blocks up here. One of them is to, we got solid brass up here. So a brass nipple, brass coupling, and then a brass 90 and a stub out, because we wanted something solid, and it's mounted. We've got mounting brackets. You can see where these screws are. It's 1, 2, 3. So this guy right here, this is not moving. It's not going anywhere. And then behind it, this right here is where the actual stub out goes through. That's top block. And so we've got that screwed in because this is where the lag bolts come through and bolt into the wood. So anyways, this is all in on this side. We got this, we just soldered the riser and put some PEX back in, and an adapter, put some PEX in, and then I'd leave this open for a little bit just to make sure everything's good. Monitor this, any trouble, it gives a holler and we'll come back out right away. But everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.